Today, we're going to show you how to DIY replace your Mercedes-Benz key fob battery. Now, all you need to do here is you got to press on this emergency lever, slide this over, and that's going to release the emergency key right here. And then there's actually a little slot right here on this side of the key. You need to press the key into it, and it will then release the back cover. So make sure we've got it lined up, and that releases that back cover, and then it can pop right off. Now you can use something to pry this out. However, I found the easiest way to get out this battery is just go ahead and give it like a hard tap right there, and that will pop out. It requires a CR2025 battery, 3-volt. We've got links to those in the description below. That does help us and this channel. Then we're just going to take our battery, we're going to slide it back in place like so with a new CR2025 battery. And all you need to do is slide it in on this side. Now you take your cover and you put that back in place and snap down. Then you take your emergency key and you're going to press that in place as well. So that is how you DIY replace your Mercedes-Benz key fob battery. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.